How to allow TikTok to access photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Scroll down and go to Photos. Photos may contain data associated with location, depth information, captions and audio. Over here, you can view all the apps and whether they have access to photos or not. Tap on the app you want to give access to from here. For example, TikTok. As you can see, TikTok does not have access to photos. If you want to allow access, then tap on Full Access below. Tap on Allow Full Access to confirm. TikTok now has full access to your photos. You can repeat this to give photos access to the other apps as well. Following these steps, you can easily allow TikTok to access photos on iPhone.